You got the promotion. The salary went from $55,000 to $72,000. You felt relief for about 3 weeks. Then you checked your account on a random Tuesday, and somehow you still had $1,800 sitting there. The same amount as before, maybe less. You're earning 30% more, but you don't feel 30% richer. And that's not an accident. Let's say you're 28 years old. You live in a mid-sized city in the United States or Europe. You make $70,000 a year. It sounds solid. After taxes, that's about $4,300 a month. You're not broke. You're not rich. You're fine. Rent or mortgage takes $1,400. Car payment is for $20. Insurance, gas, and parking take another $250. Student loans are $280 a month. Phone, internet, and subscriptions you forgot you're paying for add up to $110. Groceries and going out cost around $650. Credit card minimums take $180. We're at $3,290. You've got about $1,000 left. It disappears into Target runs, coffee, and Uber here, at dinner there. By the 25th of the month, you're refreshing your bank app like it's going to change. You're not irresponsible, you're just tired. And when you're tired, you spend to feel normal. Here's the thing no one tells you. Your lifestyle has a ratchet effect. It only moves one direction, up. You get a raise, and within 90 days, your brain recalibrates what normal looks like. You move into a slightly better apartment. You finance a newer car. You stop feeling guilty about ordering delivery. You buy the good coffee. None of it feels reckless. It feels reasonable, because everyone around you is doing it too. But here's the math you're not doing. If you took that $17,000 raise and lived like you did before, saving even half of it, $8,500 a year, you'd have $42,500 in 5 years. Not in a fantasy scenario, just from not upgrading, but instead, you're spending $650 more per month. That's $7,800 a year. In 5 years, that's $39,000 gone. You've traded long-term options for short-term comfort you won't even remember. The reason this happens is something called hedonic adaptation. Your brain gets used to good things fast. The nicer apartment stops feeling nice after 6 weeks. The car becomes invisible. The restaurants become routine. But the payments don't adapt. They stay. And here's the cruel part. Your income feels public, but your stress is private. Your friends see your car, your place, your vacation photos. They don't see your credit card balance, or the fact that you haven't contributed to your retirement in 8 months. So you keep pace, not because you want to, because stopping feels like losing. People who actually build wealth don't think in terms of what they can afford. They think in terms of cost per life improvement. That car payment isn't $420 a month. It's $5,000 a year for the next 5 years. That's $25,000. Would you pay $25,000 today for that car? Probably not. But financed over time, it feels harmless. Wealthy people delay the upgrade, not forever, just long enough to let their money work. They live one raise behind. And that gap, that space between what they earn and what they spend, is where freedom lies. They're not depriving themselves. They're buying time, options, the ability to say no. Earning more won't fix your money problems if your lifestyle rises faster than your income. The math is simple. The psychology is hard. You don't need to live like a monk. You just need to notice the gap closing and stop letting it. If this made you think differently about your next raise, consider subscribing.